So let's get to the actual unboxing. So first off, before I start, I want to show you something funny. When I got this watch directly from the Rolex AD, it came with this box, which is a box of chocolates. It's a really cool looking box. As I was looking at the chocolates, so about to eat them, I see this sticker on the back, and it says lot number to be consumed preferably before April 1st, 2024. So a little outdated. So maybe I'll let the AD know, please stop giving me expired chocolates. But I thought that was kind of funny. Cool box though. Really nice design, really nice touch, but probably won't be eating this. Now let's get to the actual watch itself. Traditional Rolex box. And here it is. A 36 millimeter blue Datejust, just purchased. Reference number 126234, and in my opinion, the most perfect combination that you can get. Fluted bezel, Jubilee bracelet, standard blue color. It's just an absolute timeless classic. This is something that you could pass down to your kids. This is the watch that I've seen, older people pass down to their kids. Their 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s model Datejust. This is the model that you could do the same. The beauty of this size and this watch though is that you're getting the best of both worlds. You're not getting some really, really small watch with no water resistance and a low power reserve and needs maintenance. You're not getting a huge watch. I know they make this in a 41. This is the perfect size. It's a 36. Women could wear this watch. Men could wear this watch. But this is a new movement. It's a 32-35 movement. I believe it has 70 hours of power reserve. On top of that, I think it has 100 meters of water resistance, which is more than you'll ever need. I personally would never swim in this watch or go in the ocean with this watch or be under 100 meters with this watch under any circumstance. So 100 meters is going to be more than enough for anything day to day or splash here and there or even going to SeaWorld or something. It does have a screw down crown as well to have that kind of water resistance, but it still has that classic Datejust look. Let's go ahead and get it on the wrist so you can see what it looks like on the wrist. On the bracelet here, it's a single deployant, so instead of having two pieces, it's just one single pull. But think about my wrist, it's about 7 inches, so you can kind of see what this watch looks like on 7-inch wrists. It's already been sized for me, but there it is. .36 millimeter blue Datejust, fluted bezel on the Jubilee. Just an absolute gorgeous classic watch. Perfect size, not too big, not too small. And I know, try to keep it in focus here so everybody can take a look. Just absolutely beautiful watch. Just a classic. It's not too loud. Gosh, an everyday piece. I don't think it's just a dress piece. Let's take a look at the bottom so you get the full look. This is just a beautiful, comfortable watch. Great size at 36 millimeter. And it's just hard to find this combination. A lot of time you can get this watch and it'll have a blue dial, but it'll have a non-fluted bezel, or it'll have an oyster bracelet with a fluted bezel, or it'll just have, an oyster and no fluted bezel. And it's just hard to get the fluted bezel with the Jubilee with a standard color. I think this is a harder watch to find than people think. I mean, it's probably one of Rolex's best sellers, but this exact, configuration, I think is just a tough go. I'm just glad to be able to add this to my collection. I'm going to show one last look of it off the wrist. So you can see that bracelet. You can see the burst of that dial. You can kind of see it without the light there. Just a great size. The thickness of the watch. Just a great overall thickness. And then that fluted bezel is just the way to go. But that's it, guys. You have any other questions, let me know. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Blue dial, fluted bezel on the Jubilee, just a classic watch.